Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody contacted me after my video last night if there would be a way to angle this. And I first thought they meant this, and this is real easy. All you do is just double click and then take your skew, and you can skew it to whatever angle you want. But they were more talking about just angling the name going through here. So if you did that, you couldn't really use these lines, but this looks pretty cool. So let's just do one. That's what they were wanting to do. And the only problem I can see with the knife tool and you leaving a 2-inch gap, that you really don't know what angle you're at. But I'm just kind of going from there to there. So you don't know what angle that is. I can't really see any other way to do it, but to do it this way, to do it correctly, get your angle dimension tool and draw a perpendicular line. Might even help to use the control button, and it does. And then let go and just, we've got a 26.28 degrees. So if you'll just remember that, 26.28. A while ago when I did a 21, so I don't really know the angle. And then just take your Smith word, and I don't know whether this will work with any letter in any word, but it works with this one. And let's change this to 28.26 degrees. Because you would want that for surely at the same angle. Now, if you'll notice, we've got the same angle, but we're too big a font. And so you could change this to like 100 points and put it in that spot. That does look pretty cool. And it must have been 26.8 and I put 28.6. Let's do this again. Get our angle dimension. Holding down the control button so we get a flat line. It's 26.28. So I put 28.2. So you want 26.28. That looks better. Anyway, that's how you would do that. And that does look pretty cool, I have to admit. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.